What's your name?
My name is Julie Juu.
Okay, tell people what you have.
So we've built a platform for Africans in the UK to sell their products. It's called Niger Delivery. So we help you to sell your product, to get your product delivered right to the doorstep of your customer. We also do cross-border shipping. So if you want your products, if you have a business here and you need to sell it in Nigeria, we have order fulfillment solution where we stock your products and dispatch it for you. You don't need to get a staff, you don't need to hire anybody, just give us products. And even if you live in Nigeria and you want to sell in the UK, so we call it Live in Nigeria, Sell Abroad. We're also your blog so that your goods can be dispatched directly to your customer. So we do foods, retail, packages, everything that you can imagine that you need.
If I'm understanding you well, that platform is like eBay.
It's like Deliveroo.
No, I just want people to understand that you can sell anything there.
Yeah, so you can sell your product on the platform. And we are also your delivery package. So it's a combination of eBay or let's say Amazon.
Amazon.
It's like Amazon for African products.
Okay,
Perfect.
you like Amazon, but it's African products.
Correct.
So if everyone has anything, everyone in Nigeria, only Nigeria or Ghana?
It's African.
Oh, Africa.
Yes.
So if I have that my bracelet or my earring I want to sell, I can come.
You just register on the platform as a vendor and you list your product, you put your price, you put your description, everything ready to go. And we're ready to send out to your customers.
Fantastic. I see pepper, onion.
So we have food, we have groceries, we have shopping. So anything you want.
So you have all there.
Yes.
When I go home, I'll go to your site. Can you give people your website or any contact they can?
If you check www.nigerdelivery.com, then you get to our website. You can email us, you can call us, and we have our flyers here. And you can also reach out to me. I'm on all channels. My name is Julie Juu.
If the person can reach to you, how can he reach you? You have to give your telephone number or something like that. Or the platform the person can see you.
So they can reach us on Instagram. They can reach me on this phone number. I need to put my glasses on now.
Put it on, darling. I understand.
So it's 0906 693 6. Oh, sorry. That's nice.
Come again, don't worry.
I'll start again. 07 389 912 925. 07 389 712 925.
So if the person is, let me say, if the person is in Africa, I'm in Ghana, I want to sell my products like plantain, onion, something, even eating food, something you can eat. I want to sell it on that platform. Can I? Or Nigeria, can I?
If it's perishable, I don't think you can, because by the time you ship it here, as long as it's in good condition, and it's edible and it's safe. Remember, there's shipping regulations. What you can bring in and out.
Yes.
So we still have to be compliant, and you have to think of the shelf life of your product. So I would say that start with retail, start with things that are non-perishables, and then you build on that.
Okay. So anywhere in UK, somebody is there, so you want your product, you can deliver.
Yes.
Okay. All right then. Say your last words to people and greet them also, and let's go.
Well, I just want to say that Africa is abroad. We have a lot to give, and there's so many of us now, and we need to put our businesses out there. and we're saying that those other channels are expensive. We are not as expensive as that. We want to promote African products. It's Africa to the world, Nigeria to the world, and everything we do has value. So a lot of people are selling inside the house. Take it out, take the next bold step, put yourself on the platform for visibility, and watch your business grow. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay. See you.
Thank you.
Bye. Yeah, Julie Juu Tv. You're doing your baby. On also tone. Bucks, any beats near the FFI is so beautiful. So I want her also to tell us what she has. Yeah, so that if you also need it, you go and buy. Hello, sweetheart. What's your name?
My name is Amadako, but people know me as Bawa because this is my Bawa brand. So I make and design these bead bags and bead jewelries. So I started when I was very young, but this is something I'm really keen on. Something to make a queen a queen. So yeah, of course, please come along. You can also order from me. So if you want more details, you can go on my website, or you can go on my Instagram, which is Amadako, and also you can also find me on Instagram, TikTok, Amadako as well. And also my number is 078.
Madam Amadako, wait before you tell us your number. Wait. These beads, you do it yourself?
Yeah, I do.
And what about the bags?
Also, yes, in the bag, everything is handmade.
You did it yourself? Wow. Why do you learn this?
I kind of got curious about it, and then I started learning from YouTube, from my friends.
Wow.
I have a really good friend as well who collaborated with me in making some of these bags, and then creating some of these jewelries as well. But it's something that I've enjoyed making for a while now.
My sister, you did well.
Thank you.
So if somebody wants that wonderful beads and you want delivery, can you do it?
Yes, of course, yes.
You do delivery?
Yes, I do.
Oh, okay. And the bags also?
Yes, so I do delivery for everything.
Around the UK?
Yes, around the UK.
Okay, now I want you to tell people where they can get you. Like your telephone number, your website or whatever. Anything you want to tell us. Show us where we can get you.
Yes, so you can find me on Instagram. And then you can also, so on Instagram is Amadako, A-M-A, and then Dako, D-A-R-K-O. You can find me on that. But mostly you can also find me as Bawa, B-A-W-A-W-A, which is Bawa. To get a custom made one as well, you can call me, which is 078-7521-9961.
If somebody live in the US and the person want these beads and the bag, can you post it to the person?
Yes, so I can post it to the person as well in the US, all around the world really.
Okay, then I want you to tell people about if the person is not around here, UK, the telephone numbers you will add.
So you have to add
plus 44
to the number, which is plus 44 0789 69 996.
Okay. Say your final word to people they are watching us.
I will say thank you so much for helping me grow my business, and I really hope that once you get any of my products, you become the queen that you are, or any person can be the queen that they are in their life.
And say goodbye to your friends. Bye.